friends, I am Pavitra Rai and welcome to PQ. So today we will discuss 20 questions on Indus Valley civilization. So now let us start with the questions. Huh. So also you have to answer each question and also comment us that how many questions did you get right. So the first question is Indus Valley civilization was discovered in, so the correct answer for this is 1921. Yes, it was discovered in 1921 by Dayaram Sahni. Next, the people of Indus Valley civilization were, so the correct answer of it were Mediterranean. If we say that people of Indus Valley civilization was not only of what kind, there were also some Negroid, some Proto-Australid and some Nordic people also. But if we compare all of them, then the most people were Mediterranean. That's why the answer is Mediterranean. So the most people were Mediterranean. Now, which metal was unknown to Indus Valley civilization? So options are gold, silver, copper and iron. So the correct answer is iron. Yes, iron was unknown to Indus Valley civilization. Next, the nature of Indus Valley civilization was, so the correct answer of it is urban. Urban and rural. Urban means that the area was of city like today's cities. That nature was of Indus Valley civilization. Or rural means village type. And agriculture means the area where cultivation takes place. Now, Indus Valley civilization belongs to, so the correct answer of it is proto-historical. So what are these periods? So first period is a prehistorical period. Prehistorical period was a period when writing wasn't developed, and in historical period writing was developed. And proto-historical period is the period between prehistorical and historical period. That means the writing was about to develop but not developed completely. Next is the post-historical period. It comes after the historical period. Now let us see some more questions. The next question is, a statue of beard man was found at, so the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Now, in Indus Valley civilization, the script was, so the correct answer is Bostrophodon. Bostrophodon was the script of Indus Valley civilization. Now, which is the latest site to be found? So the answer for it is Dholavira. So Dholavira was Dholavira is the latest site to be found. It was found during 1967 to 1968. So Harappa is located on the bank of river. So the correct answer is Ravi. Meaning of Mohenjo-daro is mound of living, mound of survivor, mound of death, mound of great. So the correct answer for it is mound of death. Mohenjo-daro means mound of death. Hope you are enjoying the video, and if you are enjoying the video, then also like the video and also subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Now next question is, which animal was unknown in Indus Valley civilization? So the correct answer for it is lion. Many people think that horse is the answer, but no. Some indications of horse were found for Surkotodan. Some evidence were found, and also from Kalibangan and Dholavira. Some evidence of horses were found, but no evidence of lion was found. So the correct answer for this is lion. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives evidence of a dockyard? So the correct answer is Lothal. Lothal gives evidence of the dockyard built with it, which connects it with many ports. Next question is, which one of the following Indus Valley sites give evidence of a stadium? So the correct answer for it is Dholavira. And also this stadium can hold about 10,000 spectators, and the height about and it is about 283 meters. The stadium built in Dholavira, which can carry about 10,000 spectators. Then the people of Indus Valley civilization built their houses of Pakka bricks. So Pakka bricks is the answer. It was the most remarkable thing of Indus Valley civilization that they built their houses of baked bricks. A shield is depicting Mother Goddess with plant growing from the womb has been found from. So the correct answer for it is Harappa. It was found from Harappa as Mother Goddess, and the people tree was considered sacred and they worship it very much. Now, Indus Valley civilization was discovered by. So the correct answer is Dayaram Sahani. R.D. Banerjee also had a role in it. He found Mohenjo-daro, and while Dayaram Sahani founded Harappa. A lot of beads were discovered from. So the correct answer what is Mohenjo-daro. Now let us. Next question is, mostly beads were made up of. So the answer for it is statite. The next question is, which of the following can't be considered Proto-Harappan culture? So the correct answer for it is Jorni culture. How? Because there are all the three characters. So first this Sodhi culture began from 4600 BCE. Sodhi culture. Sodhi culture was started from 4600 BCE, and while Jorni culture was started from 1500 BCE, and Kodiji culture, it was started from 3300 BCE, and Amri culture, it was started from 3600 BCE. Now, how Jorni culture is the answer? If we have listened 1500 BCE, while the existence of Harappan culture was from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. So how can 1500 BCE come in it? That's why Jorni culture is the correct answer. Then, which of the following showed the greatest uniformity in Indus Valley civilization settlement? Town planning, bricks, religious practices, or building? So the correct answer for it is town building. So that town building is very remarkable, and also it is like Chandigarh. Nowadays Chandigarh is like divided into sectors. Like that was the town planning of Indus Valley civilization. And also they built roads at 90 degree. That means they built road at right angle. And also they are very remarkable construction. They are great bath in Mohenjo-daro, granary in Harappa. So these were the questions, and comment in the comment box that how many you get right, and like the video if and share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel so that whenever I bring this type of more videos you get notified. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.